What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I'm going to start this one before James gets all into his shit, but we're here doing the hard yards while he goes and gets another motor. We're going to pull this one out because this one is no good.
Yeah, so if you didn't know, this thing lost a cylinder in Virginia. So
just Jay-Z doing Jay-Z things, you know.
No, this thing's been this one's lived a hard life.
Yeah.
So St. James, down.
Get out of here and then we'll deal with this.
Go pick up a long block from the depot and we'll rip this thing out of here.
Yeah, easy. Like, you guys know me. I can pull shit apart. Putting it back together, that's the fucking problem.
You did a great job helping us with the E36.
Hey, I did a few little clips and a few little hoses and shit. But, yeah, so this needs to come out. This is sad, but it's not worth the time and effort to diagnose it. No, so he's just going to get another motor.
We leave this time next week.
Yeah, 7 days.
Yeah, for final bout. So it was easier and I feel better knowing that we just got an engine depot engine in here, stock, untouched.
Just run it. It's got to last one weekend,
that's it.
Give or take. So
hopefully it stays in there for a while.
Yeah, hey, and it could, but it's all good. But yeah, they're gonna need to pull this one down. We'll just put this on like the shelf for a rainy day and
build it whenever we have
if there's nothing happening, we'll be able to pull it down and see what went wrong. I think what was wrong from the start was the turbo was on the wrong side, and yeah, just
Hertz RB sounded phenomenal.
Hey, yeah, I think that was the best car there. Yeah. And then Adam's 4 rotor, but the RB is singing. So, oh well, that's all right. We'll get into this. We've made a little bit of a mess because of the radiator and stuff, but the boys here. Trevor leaves in like 2 hours, so we're making the most of that. We're making the most of him being here, and then yeah, we'll just be able to get into it.
Get after it.
Woo-wee. Alright, so we've got this thing to this point. Pretty much it's just the shifter and then engine mounts, trans mounts, fucking out of there. Straight in the bin. Whoa, 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 whoa. Nah, that's alright. I'm giving the guys a little bit of stick. But you know, what I do want people to see is, whoa, look at that. My man Spoon. Woo-wee.
Yeah, it's a nice shirt as a fuck.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that, Tanner Munson. Munson Motorsport.
Love that guy.
Absolute legend. He made my weekend fucking stress-free as anything. So that was sick. So, yeah, I think we're going to get into this. Throw it out.
You grabbed one too? Dude, we got a bunch of them.
Put it behind.
Put it on there.
She passed everything. Oh, there it is.
I forgot about all that.
I'll pull the drop shaft out.
Hey.
Alright, perfect. Yeah, we didn't, not there. Oh, one more plug.
Yeah, no, it was good.
Just left its guts behind. Yeah, well.
Good job, boys.
Well done, team. Not bad.
Oh, yeah.
First Jay-Z I've had to pull out.
He's ready for a
Hey,
new heart.
I think it's time for you to move to the States.
Yes.
Yeah.
I thought you were gonna go, like, oh, maybe it's time for you to get a Jay-Z.
I
No.
think it's time for you to move to the States.
Yes, I think so.
I'm sorry, Kiwis. We gotta steal
Stealing
this
them.
one. Gotta steal this one.
Well, actually, no, but before I come here, you guys have to come to New Zealand to then be like, hey, maybe we need to get... You guys have an event every fucking weekend.
Petrol cheaper here.
Yeah, okay, perfect. Sold. Sold.
Your money isn't worth as much, alright?
No, our money is not
If
worth
I have
shit.
some sort of business in America and then I live out there, maybe it would work out.
Perfect,
right?
perfect.
Perfect.
So everybody needs to come and hang. I'm sure everyone will agree. So we'll get there. Listen to that thing. Having a little piss.
She's having a piss.
Alright, oh well done. Now it's time to brake clean all the shit out of here because it's a mess. But look at that thing. Job done. Jimmy's like 2 hours away, so we're good.
Hang out for now.
Yeah.
For lunch.
Yeah, smoko. Smoko time. Stephanie, relax.
Oh, you're coming on me. Oh. Gross. Gross.
Alright, Trev. Thanks a lot, bro.
Thank you.
Stay safe.
Have a safe flight.
And yeah, you too.
Thank you, thank you.
So Trev's back off to Oklahoma. And then there was not many of us. And we have to fucking do this car. Oh, easy money. No worries. Hey, we lost our main guy. The fuck are we gonna do now?
Hey, I'm losing all you one by one.
I'm not crying, you're crying.
You leave in fucking 2 days? Bullshit.
We don't want to talk about that. We don't talk about that. You're gonna be a lonely man. You're gonna start having to do shit yourself. Alright, so I'm just a sweaty fucking mess because it's been so muggy here today. It's just about 6 o'clock. We have the engine stripped down, everything we need off it. All the parts that we're keeping are over here. Intake, clutch, flywheel, gearbox, all of that good stuff. All the small pieces in there. James just got back with his new engine. Stock as a rock. Little turbo, automatic. So yeah, gonna get it down off the truck and be good to go. Yeah, it's crazy. So the 1J came out of there, but man, I'm like, dude, you've got this. There's a whole bunch of stuff back here, but you got this RB30 with a 26 head, like kind of nearly ready to be built. Come on, surely we put this in there. But no, realistically, an RB and a left-hand drive car just kind of doesn't work, because similar to like having a Jay-Z and a right-hand drive car, it works obviously, don't get me wrong, but it's simply like hard because the hot side's on your pedal side. So if you've got a booster, you've got to really work around that with a downpipe and all of that kind of stuff. So it makes it a bit difficult. But yeah, sick. It's been a cool day helping Spoon get this out, and like Trevor was here obviously, but he had to gap it back to Oklahoma. So yeah, it's been a fucking cool day. But yeah, we're about to go out for dinner. We're gonna go to Sally's Pizza. What are you guys laughing at? Huh?
We're making looping jokes.
Looping jokes. And then RJ's obviously, this is behind the scenes of their video. Look at that. Whoo-wee. Yeah, so, but yeah, we're heading to Sally's, I think, Sally's Pizza. I think TJ, Adam, all those kind of guys are going to be there. So, yeah, it's amazing. We have one more full day here tomorrow, and it's going to be very sad when we leave. But hey, there's always next year, and yeah, there's a lot of cool things hopefully can happen in the pipeline and stuff after this trip. So it's been sick. But yeah, time to leave for the day. I wish that RB30 though. Oh, can't wait to see that. But yeah, Alright guys, thanks heaps for watching. I really do hope you have enjoyed just everything in today's video. It's been, I don't know how big it is or what's involved in it. It's been a crazy day just trying to get everything done. Jimmy just got back, so yeah. Having a work with, yeah, absolutely. Said Spoon did fuck all today. He just, all he spent all day was fighting a mosquito. Come on. But no, hey, it was a cool day working with you today. Because he's bloody just lazy and just goes for a drive instead. If I knew how to go, where to go, how to drive, I would have happily gone. But no, it was a cool day. It's been fun with Spoon doing this shit. I'm not a Jay-Z guy. No, it's not happening, James. But yeah, it's been fun. Alright guys, thanks heaps. Please do make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you guys all in the next one.